What family secret was finally spilled in your family? This was way back in 1991, and my aunt used to work as a nurse at a hospital. When my sister was born, she was an attending nursery nurse at that time. Her and my mom are pretty close, and I know they would do everything for each other. One time they had a big fight that we stopped visiting each other, and we were forbidden to see our cousins. We didn't really understand why because we were between 7-10 years old. Well, before I turned 17, my mom and aunt reconciled. We were just happy to see each other again. When I was 24, I asked my aunt the time I had alone time with her during vacation about what went down. She told me that she did something unforgivable. During the birth of my sister, my aunt found out that my mom gave birth to someone who had a physical birth defect, so she exchanged it with a healthy baby. My mom was absolutely heartbroken when she found out about it, because her real baby, my sister, is out there, and who knows if she is being taken care of. My parents tracked her down and found out that after getting discharged from the hospital, she was given to foster care because nobody wanted her. We couldn't find her because nobody knows where she is. The sad thing is, we would have loved her the same. Since then, we carry that guilt.